Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about something which is the very important in our life. This is 10 common English mistake you must remove from your life. The first one, she can't to dance. She can to dance is incorrect because she can dance. She can dance. We must remove two. We must remove two. After can we never used to. After can we never used to. The second one, he do his homework. He do his homework. He do his homework. We must remove do and bring does. Where he does his homework. He does his homework is correct. For she, he, it always we use does not do. We use always does not do. The second one, I didn't saw him. I didn't saw him. I didn't saw him is incorrect because I didn't saw him. I did not see him. I did not see him is correct. The third one, after did it, we always use the base verb, not past form. Remember, not past form. The fourth one, I'm agree with you. I'm agree with you is incorrect because I agree with you. I agree with you. We must remove which things we must remove I'm. This is the best thing you must remember in your life. I am agree with you is incorrect. I agree with you. We must remove the M. What is the proof? We must remove I am. Let's see the proof. Because you do need to I am. Because you do need to I am. Agree is already a verb. Agree is already a verb. We must remove I am. Agree is already a verb. And this time in this channel you are can learn English very well and easily. I had been talking about something like so I had been talking about something this is present perfect continuous tense. Remember this is present perfect continuous tense.